Dana here, and welcome to my blog. You know what you're looking at is our youngest Shih Tzu having a ball, taking the air that's coming out of the portable AC unit that we just picked up from someone down in about 45 miles from us. How simple it's going to be to get through TSA. I'm almost at my final destination. Alright, my final destination is over there. And the only thing that concerns me is the fact that, you know, it's Easter weekend. So I don't know how many people are flying out. The parking lot outside looks pretty full. Rosie is going to take me around. I think I'm going to park inside, so I'm going to wait and see how full the inside is. I'm not doing weekly. I think I'm going straight in. Daily $16 a day. So I think I'm going to take that. Don't worry about it.
To raise the gate. Proceed to your parking space.
Ah. Too far away. This is Mama. She's in love with the new goldfish. It's not new. It's now at her level where she can see it. We've had it for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. It was mixed with some feeder fish.
Honey, you can't have him.
That's all she needs. She now has a fish buddy. It's so cute.
I love you, Mama.
It's so cute. She's in love with the fish. And she's never noticed it because, of course, the fish has been sitting up higher than. And then,
Baby girl.
Mama's in love with fish. Mama's in love with the goldfish.
Mama's in love with Mr. Lippert.
Isn't that a Don Knotts movie?
Yes. That's why you named Mr. Lippert.
Mama, is that your new buddy? Is that your new buddy, Mama? My new
Sweet
buddy?
girl.
My new buddy, huh? Mama Rosie, my new Rosie. Huh? He's your friend too? Huh? Is he your friend too? Huh?
From Sears saying you have $38 in credit and it expires in such and such. So I might just spend $40, which would be 2, and order me a toaster oven, which would be free. So
Well, doggone it. You guys are playing. Go get it, Pooh.
it's not
Get it,
worth
Pooh.
it.
Get it. Go get it. Go get it. She's got it. Get it. Go get it, Pooh. Go get it. Go get it from granddaughter. Hurry up. Go get it. Go get it. Get it, Pooh. Get it.
Get
Get
her,
it.
Scooter.
Get it, Pooh.
Get her.
There she goes. There she goes.
Get her, Scooter.
She says it's hers.
Get her.
Pooey.
Go get her.
Get it, Pooh. Get it, Pooh. Get it.
Get Pocky.
Get it, Pooh. Give me granddaughter. Hurry up. Huh? Get it. Get it, Pooh. Get it. Go get it, Pooh. Get it. Get it. Get it, Pooh. Get it, Pooh. Get it, Pooh. She's walking off with it. She's gonna walk off with it. Get it, Pooh.
You want somebody to play with?
I know.
Trying to do a better side to side, but
Look,
it'll be a whole
look, Pooh. Look. What she got? Get
It's
it.
funny, she knows what it's for.
Oh, yeah.
She knows it's a tongue toy.
Yes, she don't you, Toad? Toad, 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 Toad. What? I got it now, she says. I got it now. I got it now. Pooh. Come on, Pooh. Get it, Pooh. Get it, Pooh. Get it, Pooh. I had it for you. Get it. All right. There you go. Oh, get it, Pooh. Get it. Get it, Pooh. Why don't you want to pull on it? Lily, get it. She wants to play with her. Look at this. Come play with me. Come play with me. Come play. Oh, Pocky. Willie. Willie. Yep. Play in that water. Oh, now you're gonna wipe your nose all over. Why nobody wants to drink the water after you've been playing in it? What you doing? Freaking 30 degrees out. Hi, Mama. Whee! What you doing? Huh? 30 degrees out, windy. What y'all doing? Huh? What you doing, Bear? You wanna run too? What are you doing? What you doing, huh?